Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the NIIMBOT D110 label maker and its accompanying 4 rolls tape bundle. This little gadget promises to bring organization and efficiency to your labeling needs, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are positive. The D110 sports a clean, white design that's both modern and unobtrusive. Its compact size makes it easy to store and handle, a definite plus for those with limited workspace. The connectivity is handled via USB, which is pretty standard and ensures a reliable connection to your computer. The printing technology is thermal, which means no ink cartridges to worry about. This is a huge advantage in terms of cost savings and convenience. The monochrome output is perfectly suited for labels, ensuring clear and legible text. The D110 is designed for simplicity and ease of use. Setting up the NIIMBOT D110 is straightforward. The included software is user-friendly, allowing you to create custom labels with various fonts, sizes, and symbols. The ability to connect via USB ensures a stable and consistent printing experience. The print quality is impressive for a thermal label maker. The text is sharp and clear, and the labels adhere well to various surfaces. The 4 included rolls of tape provide a good starting point, allowing you to tackle a variety of labeling projects right out of the box. The NIIMBOT D110 excels in its simplicity and efficiency. It's a great tool for organizing files, labeling containers, or creating price tags. The thermal printing technology eliminates the need for ink, saving you money in the long run. The compact design and user-friendly software make it a joy to use. However, it's important to note that the D110 is limited to monochrome printing. If you need color labels, this isn't the device for you. Also, while the included software is adequate, some users may prefer more advanced design options. Overall, the NIIMBOT D110 label maker and 4 rolls tape bundle is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable labeling solution. Its ease of use, thermal printing technology, and compact design make it a winner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.